Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 11th class, subject botany. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, today on 17th of July 2021, our topic is taxonomic categories. After that, we will discuss the taxonomic hierarchy. So, dear students, our today's topic is taxonomic categories. This taxonomic category is in your syllabus. Now we will throw light upon these taxonomic categories as in classification, the organisms that closely resemble one another are placed in a group. The groups which have similarities are combined together into larger groups and thus settle into larger ones. This means that in classification, the organisms which are similar to one another and have these properties and in size and shape, they are same and resemble with one another or placed in a group. This is the this criteria of the classification, and then those groups which have these similarities which are similar to one another are combined together into larger groups, and those larger groups are settled combined into larger ones also. Thus, the various grouping levels or ranks in classification are known as taxonomic categories. So, dear students, these various grouping levels, that is, when these group organisms on the basis of their similarities to one another into a group, then those organisms into larger groups. These various grouping levels or ranks in classification are known as taxonomic categories. Each category has a name allotted to it. Now we will see what is this taxon and what is category. Regarding the taxon, the term taxon is used to represent any unit of classification. So what is taxon? It is a term which is used to represent any unit of classification. The unit such that taxon may be large, example plant kingdom, or it may be small, example algae, fungi, or a single species. So dear students, it is the definition or the explanation of a taxon. So what is taxon? The term taxon is used to represent any unit of classification. The unit such that taxon may be large, example plant kingdom, or it may be small, example algae, fungi, or a single species. Now regarding the category, various subdivisions of plant kingdom such as division, class, order, family, etc. are referred to as categories. These are the categories of the plant kingdom. So the various subdivisions of plant kingdom such as division, class, order, family, etc. are referred to as categories. Kingdom is the highest category and the species is the lowest category. Now we will move towards the difference between a taxon and a category. So we will make the difference between this taxon and category in a tabulated form. So one side and this column we will write the taxon, in another column we will write the category. Now regarding the taxon, the first difference between taxon and category is that taxon, a term represents a real biological object and is assigned to a category. So the taxon is a term which represents real biological objects and is assigned to a category, whereas the category is an abstract term that simply represents a rank or level of classification. This is the first difference between a taxon and a category, that a term, the taxon represents real biological objects and is assigned to a category, whereas the category is an abstract term that simply represents a rank or level of classification. Now, the second difference is that a taxon can be monotypic or polytypic, while as a category may be while as a category may belong to minor or major rank. This is the second difference between a taxon and category. Now, the third difference is that a taxon, or the term of bacteria, is Monera. The taxon of bacteria is Monera and category is kingdom. The term, the taxon of bacteria is, this is the third difference of this taxon and the category, that the taxon may be bacteria in Monera, or the taxon of bacteria is Monera and category is kingdom, whereas the taxon of birds is Aves and their category is class. This is in the category column. So these were the few differences between a taxon and a category. So this was all about this taxonomic category. Now in our next lecture tomorrow, inshallah, we will study the taxonomic hierarchy in a detailed manner. So till tomorrow, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.